But let's say we have a lot of admin functions or only owner functions or functions that should only be called by the owner. Would we have to put this line on every single function? Remember, we want to work incredibly hard to be incredibly lazy. We don't want to have to copy paste this line to every one of these functions. And this is where something called modifiers come into play. So we're going to go ahead and actually delete this line. And at the bottom, we're going to create our first modifier. A modifier is going to allow us to create a keyword that we can put right in the function declaration to add some functionality very quickly and easily to any function. To create a modifier, you use the modifier keyword, and then you set it up very similarly to a function. So our modifier is going to be called only owner. We don't give it a visibility like functions. And in here, we can put our code. So again, we'll say require the message.sender is equal to, not set to, is equal to the owner. And if it's not the owner, we're going to say sender is not owner, like this. And then underneath, we're going to put this little underscore with a semicolon. What we can do is we can take this only owner keyword and stick it in the function declaration of our withdraw. And what's going to happen now is it's going to execute what's in this modifier first. It's going to execute this require. And then this little underscore says, and then add whatever else you want to do in the function. So we're going to execute this require, then whatever else is in the function. And for our withdraw function, it's going to be everything else in here. In our modifier, if we had the underscore above the require, this means that we would execute the code inside the function first and then the require. So the order of your underscore matters. So now with this modifier keyword in the withdraw function, whenever you call the withdraw function, we first go, oh, there's a modifier. I got to drop down here. We'll execute this. Oh, here's an underscore. Time to go back to the function. Let's do what else is in the rest of the code. And then it'll come back down to the only owner modifier and say, oh, is there anything else to do? Oh, there's nothing else. So I guess we're good.